How to share screen on TikTok live stream. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can share screen on TikTok live stream. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your TikTok application and activate live in your TikTok account. Once you go live or activate live in your account, just underneath the go live button, there you can switch to the mobile gaming mode. So tap on mobile gaming, and once you have switched it to mobile gaming mode, there you will find an option to share your screen. So just go ahead and tap on it. Follow this on-screen prompt to enable screen recording permission on your device, and then you can choose whether to share your full screen or specific app or window, and the stream will begin displaying your screen to viewers in the gaming mode. So that's the way to share your screen on TikTok live stream, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.